Hello viewers, welcome to a new video on AI World for You. In this video, let us see what are the different types of AI agents. So AI agents is the topic of research which is going on, how the agent is able to learn from the environment and execute its tasks perfectly just like a human, right? So today let us see some of the types of AI agents. Coming to the first one, we have a simple reflex agent, and then we have model based reflect agent, then we have goal based agent, then we have utility based AI agent, and we have a learning agent. Now let us quickly see one by one with examples. Coming to the first one, we have a simple reflex agent. So here if we observe this figure over here, this agent will work only based on what the current state is. See here, the agent, it's going to sense from the environment and get some idea about how the particular surrounding is right now. It will get an idea of what the world is like right now, and based on that it will decide what it should do now, and then it will initiate the actions through the actuators, and those actions will directly have an influence on the environment. So here what this agent is doing is, it is only going by the condition action rules, that is how your percept sequence and the table of actions are mapped. Based on that it is going to execute something. It is not going by any previous knowledge or any other constraints, right? So here we have the agent which is going to work only using the set of condition action rules. So you can also call them as production rules. The agent will receive the percept from the environment. It will evaluate the percept using the rule, and then it will execute the corresponding action. This is what is a simple reflex agent. Okay. Coming to the next one, here the simple reflex agent itself, see the example which is given. Previously we discussed about how a vacuum cleaner is able to suck the dirt from a dirty room, or is it able to move right or left depending on how we have programmed it, right? So here if you see, if the dirt is detected, it needs to suck it. If the obstacle is there, it needs to turn either left or right. So this is like condition and action based. That can be the best example for a simple reflex agent. Now that scenario is clearly shown here. If we have the vacuum cleaner in room A, and if it needs to suck out the dust, so it will check two things. Here I have written two particular parameters in this function reflex vacuum agent. So if we define the function reflex vacuum agent with two parameters, location and status, location will take the values of A and B, that is in which room it is present. Coming to the status, status will take the values of clean or dirty. So if the room is dirty, the status will return dirty. If the room is clean, the status will return clean. Same way, if the room is A, then the location will return A. If the vacuum cleaner needs to go to room B, if it is there, then the location will be B. So here, depending on these three lines of code, my vacuum cleaner is going to work. Let us see what is it. See the first one, if status equal to dirty, then return suck. That means if the vacuum cleaner detects that its environment is dirty, then it needs to perform the suck action and suck out the dirt, right? Next, suppose it detects that it is clean. So it will go to the next line of execution, which is second line. Here it will check the location. If it is A, then it needs to move to the other room, right? From A, it needs to come straight and turn right. So it needs to take a right turn. Coming to the next one, which is B. Suppose if the location is B, then it needs to move straight and take left. So this is how we are programming our robo vacuum cleaner, and see the percept sequence and the action mapped. If A is clean, then it will take right because it needs to check room B, no? If A is dirty, then it will perform the suck action. If B is clean, then it will take left because it needs to go to room A and check. If B is dirty, then it will perform the suck action and it will clean the dirt. So this is how my simple reflex vacuum agent works. I hope you understood how a simple reflex agent works. We saw the example of a vacuum cleaner also. And in the upcoming lectures, I will discuss about the remaining types of AI agents like model-based reflex agents, goal-based agents, utility-based and learning agents. If you understood and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.